Magandang umaga. Welcome back. I hope you're well today, guys. I'm not. I'm sick. I knew it was coming, and I know why. Friday night. Let's do a throwback.
Flashback.
Friday night. It was a lovely night, 3 hours up north, where I go every weekend to train with my team. We are training for a world title. So whilst it's far to go every weekend, I love it. I enjoy it. I was getting sleepy, so I went to bed. I was in a spare bed in the lounge room, air conditioning directly above me, fan directly above me, aircon remote nowhere in sight, fan switch nowhere in sight. I go, that's fine. I hop into bed. The aircon was set to 16 degrees Celsius. The fan on the highest level it can be on. Me shivering. Freezing cold. Next day, I get up, I'm training, trying to do my best, whilst extremely lethargic, thinking, what is wrong with me? Why am I so extremely lethargic? Turns out, being really cold makes you sick. And here I am. So anyways, I'm sick, but I'm feeling good, you know, I feel okay. I'm just a bit like unhealthy in this area of my body. So today we are going to check out the vlog for the MV shoot for Damn. Very exciting, obviously. And Pablo, Justin, and Stell went to this event, I think, like this comedy thing, or like, I don't really know what it is, to be honest. I just got it sent to me and they were like, please react to this. And I was like, sure. So I think this person kind of like narrates the beginning of it, kind of explaining what's going on. And then I think throughout the end of it, they might do funny things. I don't really know. Obviously, I haven't watched it, so we will soon find out. It's just what I was told. Before we get into it, guys, first of all, you can win an SB19 gift box just by showing that SB19 is your #1 played artist in the month of March. So if you use Spotify, I don't know if Receptify works for Spotify, but if you use Spotify, you can show, what am I trying to say? Go to Receptify, log into your account, and just show me that Damn is your #1 played artist. It's mine. Or you can go to Spotify top tracks, like your top tracks for the month, and you can show me what your top tracks are, and you'll be going into a draw, and I'll pick a winner, and I'll give the winner a really cool SB19 gift box just to help obviously promote the song and stream the song. So that's the first thing. The second thing is, if you're not on my Patreon, you're missing out, guys. There's so many reactions over there, 64 extra reactions to be exact. And I just finished the What Nobody Understands About Each Member series, and I always, like, obviously I know their story, but I don't know why every time I listen to it, it just doesn't get any more normal. Like, I'm just like in shock every time, even though I'm being told the same information. I'm just still like, my God, have they come far? It actually makes me cry thinking about like where some of them were at and then how much they've achieved, and just thinking about how they must feel about their life now. Crazy. Anyway, so yeah, if you would like to come over to my Patreon, there's a special SB19 tier that is the cheapest tier on the account, and it just gives you access to all of the SB19 videos. So come on over to the community. Oh my gosh, it always surprises me how many reactions I've actually done to these guys. It's crazy. Anyways, so that's that. Come on over, guys. The link is in my bio. Let's get straight into it, okay? Let's go. That's why this earphone's not working. Hello? Or am I deaf in one ear? Wait a second. You guys, ooh, hello. I have a pin. You know what, pin? You can stay there. You can be one with my earphone case. They now come as a package. No wonder. Also, my hair is so orange right now. I'm not going to lean forward because you'll see how bad it is. It's so orange. I need to get it fixed. Don't even get me started. Don't do your hair yourself. Don't do it yourself. And then don't go to a hairdresser who's shit to try and fix it, because they won't. Y'all. It's still shit. Okay, this earphone must be dead, this side, but that's okay. I can still hear out of this one. Let go. Wow!
Hi everyone.
Hey, Stella.
This is today's day 1 of the MV shoot. Ako yung unang buno today.
Wow, I
Let's
love
go,
this
Team 6
costume.
AM. Yung suot ko yung bad style.
That's
So, ay, lamig! Yan, wait. Tapos lalagyan nyo to ng ibang audio.
Feel ang momento parang, wow, that's great. Parang competition. Breathless.
Pampaimpis lang dyan. Halika Kuya Mark. Mama, kalika. Ganito yung mga uod nung unang
Tigas.
panahon.
Ang katulis din sila.
Medieval din siya. May armor.
Bakit kaya? Para saan yung armor nung...
Para pag ganun, patayan silang mga worm.
kapatayan din
Oo,
sila.
siyempre yung unang panahon. Konti lang access sa
True.
food eh. So siyempre kahit mga worm, wala silang makain. Kuya Mark, bakit yung trim mo parang barbers na? Bakit parang 2 blocks na? Fade to ya?
First fade.
Fade away to ya? Fade away?
Away.
Maarte pala yung evil still.
What?
Okay na. Ganito yung glam team namin. May dala silang mobile barbershop, mobile salon. Kahit saan pwede magkulay, kahit saan pwede maggupit. Oh. Anytime, anywhere. Kahit saan mo gusto.
Okay, Queen.
Sa Sikihor ka, pupuntahan ka nila.
Oh, give us sass. Give us attitude.
Lagot kayo. Natutunaw na yung yelo ko. Kaya nga, tumutulo na. Guys, gusto niyo ba ng matigas na yelo?
I'm alright, actually.
Mamaya.
Okay.
Welcome to my ice kingdom. Pero ako yung nakatrap.
looks so
I'm so
pretty,
good. Sa sobrang
though.
bait ko. Kailangan nilang itago ang tulad ko para ma-preserve pa.
He looks
Kasi wala nang mabuti sa
gorgeous.
mundo.
My
Ako
God.
na lang. Dahil dyan,
Love
gagamitan
the
kita ng
blush.
aking powers. Nasampa. Ha? Kinulong niya ako, tapos mag-message pa ako sa kanya. Parang lumalabas yung bad self ko Parang hindi ko gusto yung mga tanungan mo. Parang gusto lumabas nung masama. Ayan na, lalabas na dyan. Eto na. Anong nararamdaman ko ngayon dito? Palit kaya tayo ng posisyon, tapos tanongin kita. Kung kaya magsuot ng sheer sa isang napakalamig na lugar.
Oh,
Sa tingin mo,
really?
natutuwa
Is it
rin si
cold?
Elsa? Nakatira siya sa Ice Kingdom na sheer lang yung suot niya. Sige nga,
I'm alive, but I'm
message mo
dead
siya.
inside.
Ito number niya. Olaf, alika dito. Olaf. Wala akong tropa ni Olaf. Ay, wala akong tropa kagaya ni Olaf. Mag-isa lang ako. Ano? Ang ending ako nagtatanong. Uy, Self, kalma ka lang, Self. Huwag ka magalit. Hindi kasi nahihirapan na ako sagutin yung mga tanong niya. Ano ba bang mga tanong mo? Wala ka nang maisip na, uy, kalma, Self.
Calm myself.
Anong gagawin yan?
He really is just naked there. Wow, it's so cool though.
Kunwari ko yung suwan sa panatay. Sister, ito inay! Ganon. Nagbabago na po ako.
Oh minutes.
Let's go. Okay. Okay, game na ba?
Cute.
Tapos na, sister.
Patapos na. May itong scene na to next. Ikaw tsaka Ikaw.
Okay.
Sige.
The makeup looks so cute.
Hindi ko branding yan.
Kaninang di mo branding?
That's my branding. The scratches look so real. Wow. Oh, he looks like a baby. Why does he look so little? He looks so young. Yeah.
Kape? Gusto mo ng tube ice? Tube ice.
Tube ice.
Okay, kita pala pa ako.
Bro. I can't judge. If I was on a movie set, I'd do the same thing. You know, when I'm somewhere that I'm feeling I don't even know what I'm trying to say. When I'm somewhere that requires a lot of focus from me or energy, I will just like happily keep drinking coffee. Not that I like do, but I would happily do it. Like when I'm at training up the coast, we train for like 4 to 5 hours, and like I drink a coffee in the morning at like 6, and then we start at 7, and then at 7 I'm like, yeah, I could have another one. How do you need another coffee within an hour? You haven't started. But I'm like, I need this. I want this. But in normal life, like days like today, I'm just filming. I'll have one coffee and that's like so enough. Although now I'm talking about it, I think I might have another coffee just because I'm thinking about it. Scrap that. I want another one.
Ayan, okay. Tapos na nakatingin lang from yan.
Wow, looks so cool. Oh, hey.
Oh, meron ka.
Yung sa
Nakita mo na ba yung...
Hindi ba? Sige nga, patingin nga yung world ko.
Let me see my world. Cute. Oh my god. Are you okay? Oh, I thought he actually hurt himself. I forgot he was still filming.
Sakit sa leeg.
Aw.
Stress.
Wow, they look so good. I love
What's
this
up?
concept. That was so cute.
Dumating na si Olbap. Tapos mo na si Olbap.
Old pup.
Mga busy ang mga tao rito.
He's
This
so
is the
excited.
first day of the
First
music
day.
video shoot ng Dam. At medyo mahaba-haba ang araw. Alam ko ako ang huli na uuwi kasi 1 AM ang scheduled uwi ko. Pero yung iba dito kanina pang umaga. So, si Stel, sinundo siya ng 5 AM.
Oh, I wonder if he slept.
At ang call time ni Olbap, wala niyang ano. 3:30! Let's go!
3:30.
Kaya, masigla si Olbap ngayon.
Ang galing mo naman.
Oh
Dali, ano
my
masabi?
god.
Amazing! Itong Soira talaga,
Wow.
lagari talaga. 3 araw, sunod-sunod. Tingnan mo, Ivan yan. Oh, i-zoom ko pa para makita niyo.
OA.
Oh, ano? Ay, ang ganda mo rin! Ang saya pala pag ano, no, late pa yung call time mo na. Fresh ka pa. Pero late ako uuwi, no? At least, di ba? Parang kahit na yung mga tao, mukhang pagod, buhay na buhay sila kasi gumagano sila lahat. Angas, di ba? Oh, parang bumuon talaga.
Wow.
Grupo, wala na
That
akong
looks
magulo.
so cool.
Hey, what's up? Good afternoon. Good afternoon po.
Oh, he's so excited.
Congrats, ha? Congrats.
Saan po? Ay, oo nga. Artist of the Year, si Pablo. Di ko nakakala yun eh. Gulat din ako eh. Grabe rin, pero kasi ang gagaling ng mga artists eh. Agad-agad! Napakalakas naman ni Miko! Good luck sa atin, day 1. Sa atin, boy. Ongos!
Wow.
Oh, sino yan? Wala niyo kung sino.
Far out.
Hip Hop of the Year.
Wow.
Kahit ano naman, mata mo eh.
Wow, Josh's makeup looks
Ako yung
so
mata ko,
good.
anong kulay? Yellow. Yellow?
Wow. Oh, but they just covered everything. Maybe he takes it off. I can't remember. He does take it off. I was gonna say they just covered it.
Hello, kakarating ko lang sa set namin ng
Rap Trap coming
The
soon.
Music Video Day 1 and because ang call time ko ay 5 p.m. So time check, 5:09. Kain tayo ng McDo.
No. In Australia,
Photoshoot lang
we
yung-
call McDonald's Macca's.
Ipapasok ko today dahil bukas pa ang set ko
Macca's.
talaga. And maaga na daw bukas.
Isa akong magnanakaw na may kapangyarihan na thunder. Tapos pula pa ang mata. Minsan di ko na rin maintindihan kung ano talaga ako. Pero may powers.
He's like, I don't know, I
Ako
just have
ay
powers.
Thief King. Kumbaga
Thief
sa mga
King?
sa mga video games, RPG, ay, ang class ko is like somewhat a thief or an assassin. And ganito usually yung ginagawa nila. Magaling sila magnakaw. Pero syempre, kita mo naman, no? Bigyan ka na ng ginto. So ba? Ng ginto.
Wow, that was so good.
Since tapos na akong kumain, manggugulo tayo sa mga tao. Let's go!
Wow. They look
Manggulo
cool.
naman tayo ngayon sa set. Itong waiting area namin. May silipan dito eh.
As a people.
Ayun, yung set. Ayun si Direk Alan. Siya po ang mansana sa puno ng so. Hello po. Ah, pinapalitan nyo rin yung backdrop.
Yung pang MD yung brown kanina. Tapos ito pang KD.
Daming gold. Pero tubular talaga siya. Kasi ito yung sword ni Ken, I think. Kay Pablo. Alright, balik na muna tayo. Kung wala pa akong gagawin.
Sige, on your cue.
Wow.
Yan.
I love that undershirt.
Balik ka ng contest chest. Nice.
Mata.
I got power.
Gusto? Okay. Okay. Hirap mo na.
Wala yung ganda. Gusto kayo sa painting. Sabi mo nga, yung nakalipo.
Ganyan ba? Ano? Tingin ka saan?
Wow.
Yan, ganyan.
Thank you, pa.
Who is that fancy person with his slick black back blonde hair? That eye.
May need ka?
Ayan. Perfect. Select ka.
Outfits are so gorgeous. Oh, I remember seeing that on TikTok.
King.
Hi guys. So kakagising ko lang ulit. Kasi maaga yung call time ko, diba? 6 AM nandito na ako. And natapos agad ako ng mga bandang 3:30 ba yun? 4? Sa mga ganong oras. Tapos pagkatapos ko, nagpamassage ako kay ate.
Massages.
Tapos ang sarap ng tulog ko. So ngayon nakakagising ko lang. May energy na ulit ako. Wala na akong migraine. Guluhin natin yung nagsushoot ngayon. Tignan natin sino nagsushoot. Puntahan natin sila dito sa set. Unang-una, ang nagsushoot ngayon, I see. Unang-unang nakita ko pa lang, pagpunta ko sa set, may nagchichismisa na agad. O, yan na. Suspect number 1. Ano naman kaya ang chili-chika nito? Dito.
Meron ako mga kino-confirm na mga balita.
Ano?
At feeling ko mamaya liliit ako.
Kasi pa na tayo?
Feeling ko mamaya liliit ako dahil paparusahan ako ng fairy.
At si Pablo nandun? Okay. Tingnan natin yung una sinushoot dito. Ito na pala si Peter Pan yung sinushoot ngayon. Ito, gusto niyo ba makita si Peter
Yes.
Pan? Ayan si Peter Pan. Ay.
He does look like Peter Pan.
Yan, si Peter Pan. Oo, ito, guluhin natin tong isa. O, kamusta yung shoot mo?
Wow.
Ngayon, magaling. As usual. Pablo to boy.
Tapos na pala si ano.
I mean, I feel powerful sa mga...
May kamukha ka. Alam mo yung sticker sa Messenger? Yung batang naka-yellow?
Yung ganun yung buhok.
Oo.
Pero I feel powerful sa mga costume. Para talaga tayong mga hari.
Maganda kasi yung set din. Kung nakikita nyo lang yung set. Oo, maganda. Ang galing. Kung nakikita nyo lang yung set ngayon, amazing.
Kulay blue.
Ganda ng mga photos. Nakita mo yung mga photos mo? Ano na bang natapos ka na dyan?
Tapos na
Mag-photo?
ako mag-photo. Gusto ko yung ilaw.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda nga ng feeling nito. Kamusta? Busy ka ba?
Oo naman.
O, dapat lang.
Atras pa.
Kita nyo naman, sobrang busy ng mga tao behind the set, di ba? Ganyan sila ka-dedicated.
Naman sa
Ay.
pa-party.
Bigat kaya ng bato na yan.
Oo, tignan mo gano'n sila ka-dedicated. Guys, nakita nyo ba gano'ng kalakas yung mga tao sa set namin? Tignan mo yung mga hawak nila sa bato. Sila lang naggalaw ng mga bato na yan, no? Sila nagbubuhat niyan. Siyempre, kung ganyan sila kalakas, amo nila si Thor. Ako si Thor, guys. Angas nyo naman, guys. Oh, tignan mo naman. Ito ang lair ni Pablo, na puro bato-bato. Kaya nakikita nyo lahat ng tao na nandyan sila yung nag-aayos ng lair ni Pablo. Apakaangas. Apakaangas, guys. Set pa lang yan. Paano pag nalagyan na yan nung nung virtual reality, hindi ko alam ang tawag doon. Hindi ko alam kung may natututunan kayo sa akin, pero isa lang ang pulot na makukuha nyo sa akin ngayon. Kahit dumating yung oras o yung panahon na mapagod ka, humanap ka ng oras para magpahinga. Para pagising mo, may energy ka ulit mangulit. Tulad ko, ulit na naman ako kahit oily nung ako dahil sa massage oil. Look at the details, man! Look at the details!
Look at the
As you can
details,
see,
man.
there's a real
It is
stone in here.
Amazing.
Oh my gosh. The best yung mga yan. Pag
It
nakita
looks
niya
like
yung mga
there's
yan,
candy
huwag
rocks
niyong anuhin yan. Ayan na si Wolf King. Wolf King, kagating mo nga kami. Kagating mo kami, Wolf King. Bakal tulo. Oo nga, bakal.
Hindi mo nakita yung ano.
May araw ka kanina, di ba?
Wala na talaga.
Tira nga.
Sakit na eh.
Ayan na, may magsasort na siya. Hindi nyo alam gano'n kaswerte na nabubuhay ako sa panahon ngayon kung saan nakikita ko yung mga ganitong klaseng... Sorry. Napakaswerte ko na
Representing all
nabubuhay ako
18.
sa panahon ngayon kung saan nakikita ko yung mga heroes. Kaya ayoko nagpapahinga pag nakaka-energy ako, nabubuhay ako eh. Kung dati lagi nila kami binibidyohan, ngayon ako naman magbibidyo sa kanila. Oh, yan, oh. Ang ginawa rin niya. Nice! Wow, proud ka. Sabi mo, proud na proud ako.
Proud na proud ako.
Yung may conviction.
Proud na proud ako.
Ayan, ganyan.
My voice is so cute.
I-flip natin siya. susunod.
Wow.
Ano pong brilyante ang hawak mo?
Brilyante.
Who's that guy in the back?
Ano to?
He's like, I am
Ano
in
yun?
the group.
Yung,
Baka kung Pokemon ka, mukha kang electric Pokemon.
yung ano, yung nakakakilabot, ano yun?
Goosebumps?
Hindi yung, ano,
Si Pablo ay natatae.
Kopya ka ba?
Sa tatae. Tutungtong tayo. Ay magmamakataas.
Guapo.
ay, sarap ko rin ako.
All the outfits together, especially, so good.
Nakakahiya naman po. Uy, ako na.
May concern lang ako. Maganda yung damit eh. Pero Sir Francis, bakit po gano'n? Hindi po kayo marunong sa spelling. Francis Libiran, bakit po lang na Custom. Francis Libiran Custom.
Tama naman.
Getting all the angles.
Yung dam, ano to, patamaran.
Hindi ba ganun yung concept?
I wish they posted that.
Hindi.
Still.
Hi everyone, so this is the end of our day one shoot of the music video. So tapos na kami sa mga gagawin namin today. Meron pa kaming tomorrow with the dance, may mga choreography part, and then kasama
Oh,
namin
we
ng
still have a
W3
part
and some
two.
cast tomorrow. So we're very excited, pero may magti-tiktok pa. Magti-tiktok na sila, pero kami tapos na. So uwi na kami. Bye everyone, see you tomorrow. Salamat kayo sa lahat. Bye-bye. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.
Ow, that hurt my brain. That was very fun. This was only uploaded yesterday, so I'm guessing we'll get the part 2 next week. I'm excited to see all of the choreography part. They all look so good. I was loving first of all, everyone looked amazing. Stel's humor, hilarious. Ken was like a little baby, but I was loving Pablo's energy when he came in. So cute. And I loved Josh's makeup on the side. We didn't see any of Justin with his contacts in his eyes. So maybe that'll be in the next one, because that was really cool. All right, let's finish off this reaction with whatever this is. I don't know what it is.
Unexpected happened recently. SB19 members Pablo, Stel, and Justin were spotted at Spit Manila. And let's just say
Manila.
it was a night to remember.
Was this an event that was planned? Or were they just there and then brought on stage? What is Spit Manila?
If you're not familiar, Spit Manila is an
Thank you.
improv comedy group known for its hilarious and
comedy
spontaneous performances. But what made this night extra special? Well, 3 of SB19's members joined in, making the show even more entertaining.
Cool.
Aircon! A-I-R-C-O-N Aircon! Kapag ako ay malungkot, ako ay nagbubukas ng mga pintana at mga ventilador. Ngunit kapag talagang mainit, ako ay nagbubukas ng mga aircon. Aircon! Okay, one last. Kapag nakabukas ng aircon nyo, summer, ano ang madalas nyong ginagawa sa kwarto? Natutulog.
Natutulog.
N-A-U-L-O nakikita. Kita, iniisip na merong mga anghel na nanonood sa akin. Ngunit ako ay mahilig matulog. Kaya naman ako ay natutulog. Palakpakan natin ang Spit and SB19. Napakagaling naman.
Fans who were at the event couldn't believe their eyes when Pablo, Stell, and Justin got up on stage.
Yeah.
And to make things even better, they treated the audience to an impromptu performance of their chart-topping song, Damn.
So they must have known that we're going to be there. Like, as in, it must have been planned, obviously. I love that move. Jumps into Stell.
But that wasn't all.
Cute.
Stell and Justin didn't stop at just performing. They also joined the improv games, showing off their comedic side. And if you've been a fan for a while, you already know that these two are naturally funny.
Yes.
Their quick wit and reactions had everyone laughing the entire time.
Action! Then action! Let's see. Ganito. Alright, that's it.
Nagdidisco ako ikaw.
Sasampay ako ng basang damit, ikaw.
Naglilipot ako ng bottles from left to right ikaw.
I have to really listen because I've only got one earphone in. I'm struggling to hear what they're
Action,
saying.
please.
Oh my God.
Ganito. Alright, let's go. Nagrarang ako, ikaw.
Napanood ko yung paboritong group na SB19 eh.
Ikaw mag-fingerprint scanner, ikaw.
Ako nag-chest bump ako ganitong style eh, ikaw.
Pinapoke ko yung mata ng dalawang higante, ikaw.
Actually, nire-ready ko yung kwet ko kasi magtutulog ako mamaya eh, ikaw.
Nagawa ko ng dalawang aso na shadow, ikaw.
Actually, signal to para makausap ko yung mga alien eh, ikaw.
He's so good at
Nagawa ko
this.
ng dalawang baka, ikaw.
Lagi TV namin walang connection, pwede na ba to eh, ikaw?
Ang laki ng motor ko, ikaw.
I have a 2.0 mukha silang iguana eh, ikaw.
Titimbang mo yung dalawang hotdog, ikaw.
Wala akong maisip.
Palapakan natin ang SB19. Can someone do an action over and over? Like this. Okay.
Nasali ako sa bulutan, ikaw.
Nagbabaksin ako ng lamok. Ikaw.
Makakit ako ng ladder, eh, ikaw.
Inabot ko yung mga ulap, ikaw.
Ikaw na. Kailan nangyayari yung war? ATM. Bukod sa boss nyo, kanino nang gagaling ang pera?
Kanino?
Kay Jean, cash.
Meron po mula kay Kate.
What is this?
Pwede po ba magbigay
What is
ng
Kate?
steps para hindi mahulog sa mga red flag?
Palagay ko, mas makakasagot ang aking umang. Tama siya.
Sobra. Kaya,
Naman,
tandaan mo,
una,
huwag kang
maniniwala.
sa kanya. Pangalawa,
Sige,
kulang. Pangatlo,
mag-isip
ka. At
pang-apat.
umiwas sa
Kanya.
I see. Yes, we have more questions. Yes. Yes. Rez has a question. May chance daw po ba siyang ma-meet and greet si Stel?
Una, light stick. Tapos, ticket sa manseng. Tapos, paglakad ng patiwalik. Ladies and gentlemen, please give up for our double oracle. We are
Since kinder ka pa lang nagkukumot na yan.
D. Talaga ba? Kumot to? Akala ko, curtain, hospitalan. U.
Uulan na mamaya. Gagamitin natin yung mga curtain dyan. Pero yaan kumot mo, meron yan sentimental value sa akin.
T. Teka. Sawa, anak. U. Oh my God? Really? Oh my God? Look at my face. Diba, magkalimit lamang? Oh.
Oo. Magkalapit na magkalapit. Alam mo, honey, ito kasi, yung anak natin, ang raming reklamo sa buhay.
G. Gangster pa dati! Gangster ko eh! Mom, look at me, I'm so kind. Nak, bakit ka nagkakaganyan? Yung inaki ng nanay mo, para sagutin ako.
They're so good at
Of
this.
course, I have many reasons.
Of course.
And that is you. And that's my mother. T.
Tama na ang pag-aaway ninyo, okay? Anak, kailangan kong aminin sa'yo.
U.
Umaamin na ako.
T.
Tignan mo.
U.
Umaamin na talaga ako.
Oh my gosh, why are they so good?
So, those are some of the things that
That's so
happened
funny.
during SB19's Spit Manila appearance. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe for more SB19 updates.
Paano daw lalaki ang katawan niya?
Paano lalaki ang katawan niya? Araw-araw, mag, Jack and Boy.
Tapos,
Isabay mo. Kanin at
ulam.
na inanda jowa.
L.
T-O. Lato. Hinahampas-hampas
Ko.
ang aking
Kadili.
kapag ako ay
Naglalaro.
ng
Lato.
lato.
Eh, palapakan natin sila. We have a word from... Ay lang.
Saan nagkaka-pimples ang pera? And it's not money.
It starts twerking.
Anong sweldo na? Ay! Anong sport ng sweldo? Ano? Injury.
His little dance. That's so cute. Oh my god. That was really hard to focus. There were some words I couldn't pick up, so I didn't get the jokes fully in all of them, but I did my best. And like, we all know that I think Stell in particular with improv stuff is like superior. Justin is very good as well. And I didn't realize that. I knew he was very funny, but I didn't realize like improv kind of stuff would be his thing, but he's great too. And I would love to see more of them on these kind of things. I want to know the people who were there. Did you know that they were going to be there? Excuse me. Because that's cool. That's really cool. I loved that. I hope you enjoyed that. There's been a lot of interviews from this comeback. So if there are any that you really want me to watch, can you link it down below? Otherwise, yeah, I will. Yeah, just let me know if you want me to do them. And as I said at the beginning, There's 64 reactions on Patreon. I do one every single Friday. And also my Patreon members are the ones who choose what I'm going to be reacting to each week. So if you want to have a say in actually what I'm reacting to for all of these, then every Sunday I put a post up in my Patreon for you to put it all down. And I pick from those essentially. So yeah, I'll see you guys all next week. I hope you enjoyed this reaction. Don't be sick. Don't be sick. Only one person can be sick in this world. That's me. I've got you. You stay healthy. Love you. Bye.